Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the basic disassembly of a Revolution Series pump. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to ensure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: box end wrenches, a socket set, soft-headed hammer, a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material, and an O-ring pick. To begin, loosen and remove the pump cover dome nuts and remove the pump cover. Ears or cutouts located on the front cover can aid with removal. If needed, use a soft-headed hammer or flat screwdriver to slide the front cover off the locating dowels. Remove the pump cover O-ring. Next, orient the rotors perpendicular to each other. To prevent the rotor from turning, insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material between the rotor and casing. For crosshead retainers, use the provided cross socket and ratchet to remove the rotor retainers. For hex head rotor retainers, use a socket or wrench to remove the rotor retainers. Frame 5 utilizes rotor retainer bolts under a sealed cap. See the technical service manual for more information on these sizes. Remove the rotor retainer O-rings. Remove the rotors from each shaft. Keep track of the position for each rotor, as each will need to be returned to the same position when reassembled. Place the rotors on the bench, seal side up. Your Viking Pump Revolution Series pump is now fully disassembled and ready for seal replacement. For more information, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.